What is up, people? So as I wait for parts to come in for this car, I am just going to go over 5 things I hate about this car. So if you're in the market or you're looking to change things, upgrade certain things, this is something that I strongly dislike about this car. And it's not a ton, but they are pretty major. And these are in no particular order. So the first thing I do hate about this car is, one, the gear ratio in this car. So as you know, the gear ratio in these cars are fucking terrible. First gear is just, to me, is way too fucking torquey, to the point of like you're having trouble with traction. Second gear is okay. It's not the best, but I'm not mad about it. And I mean, it hits 60 in second easy. And then third gear feels so fucking long. Like, I feel like I'm in third for 10 years. Fourth is long as well. Fifth and sixth might as well be the same fucking gear. So that's the biggest thing, is just the gear ratio in this car. And I know you could fix it. And I've, with like a limited slip or whatever, just haven't. It's a lot of money. And yeah, but that's the biggest thing, is I definitely hate that part of it. It's just, yeah, gear ratio, terrible. Ugh. All right, the second thing I hate about this is the engine ticking. My God, the engine ticking is absolutely abysmal in this car. Direct injection, I know, but goodness gracious, it sounds like it's either about to explode or it's dying. Like, and I'll enter in sound clips. But I mean, you hear that, it's so bad. And you know, you're trying to show off your car, or whatever you're trying to do, you know what I mean? You're like at a car meet or whatever, your hood popped, and it just sounds like a ticking time bomb. Like, it's so bad. It's so bad. And if you own this car, you know that. And on the forums, it's everyone is like videos of their car ticking, and they're like, is this normal? God, it's so bad. Direct injection, it sounds terrible. They do not sound healthy. All right, the next thing is the stock turbo location on these cars. It is fighting an uphill battle that you lose every single time when trying to service it. Partial reason why I moved it, I've had 3 big turbos on this setup. You could fit a 62, 66. I've had an ST71 and I've had an ST67 on this car. My favorite is the G25 550 or the ST67. Smaller, punchier turbos for a stock motor. It's a whole nother video, but yes, that's what I enjoy. Now, yes, the stock turbo location is absolutely terrible to work on. It's terrible if you pop a coupler. It's just the worst. Why are we doing it? I don't understand. It's terrible. That's quick and to the point. My next gripe is we're going in the car. My gosh, the cup holders in this car are terrible. They're in the worst location. And they are, like my zebra shorts, yeah. They're in the worst fucking location. It's terrible. You do anything in here and you're smacking the fuck out of anything drink that you have in here. It's so bad. Not good. Not good placement. I'd rather have them anywhere else but here, but they're there. So that's a small gripe, but it's true. We're back outside the car. My next gripe is the 5x108 lug pattern for these quote unquote special wheels. You have to get everything, if it's not already made, it has to be re-drilled, and you pay extra, you pay a premium. And it's annoying as hell. Everything's always out of stock, and most ST guys run the exact same wheel. They don't get away from them, which is not a bad thing. I understand why, but it's just no company really makes another wheel for this car unless you go out of your way and pay that premium price and premium wait time for them, which not a lot of people want to do, and I understand. but it's just annoying. All right, we have honorable mention. This is the last thing that I will say about this car. There's no fucking oil temp sensor on these cars. It's all a guesstimate off of what the ECU thinks the temperature should be at based on other parameters in the car. That is so annoying. Parameters in the car, it'll base your oil temp sensor off of that. So you don't have a true reading really ever when you're doing anything on this car. So that meme goes around all the time. I'll post it up here about the oil and where everything should be. But it's so true is that you just never really know. Everybody's car kind of reads a little bit different, and you're kind of always just guessing. Now, you can probably put one in, and what's annoying is these cars come stock with an oil cooler with no actual temp sensor. Make that make sense to me. You can't. So that's the last gripe. And I'll do another honorable mention because I'm out here. The annoying black soot. It just cakes the back of the car. Like, oh my God. I mean, I know my car runs rich, but my goodness, this is terrible. It's the most annoying thing ever when you're just cleaned your car and you go on a pole and it's that dirty. I mean, it is just caked on the back of the car. Always. Doesn't matter. Any ST is caked in that black soot. It's fantastic. But yeah, those are, I guess, 7 things, but 5 basic things that I hate about this car with 2 honorable mentions. So yeah, just wanted to get a quick video out while I wait for parts. Didn't want to go too NIA. Oh my gosh, I'm having a stroke. Jeez, it's hot as hell out here. But yeah, I'm just waiting on a couple things. There's a couple things I do have to do to the car. I do have to remove my turbo and do something with my engine mount. I'm getting weird sounds under here, not looking forward to that. Engine bolt dress-up kit is coming. And then probably I'm gonna try to do like a POV driving with the Insta360 cam. Do some shit with that. Maybe like some city driving, some back roads. I don't know yet, one of the two. But yeah, that's gonna be coming in the future. I might do a 5 things I love about this car. Honestly, it probably will come out soon if I have nothing else to do. But for now, this is just the 5 things that I do hate about this. I've been asked before, what are some of the things I dislike or want to change or would change about it? Those are my biggest gripes on the car. Honestly, anything else I wouldn't really change too much. But yeah, you know, if you have any other video ideas or want to see anything else, let me know in the comments below and I will link them. But yeah, anything else, take it easy. Look forward for the next videos. Peace out. Bye.